Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are a fresher from 25 or 26 batch and you are confused about what companies are actually expecting from the candidates, and then today video will help you a lot because in this video I'm not just going to share the job openings. I'm going to explain what the role actually means and what work you will need to do after joining in the company, what skills are companies are expecting from you, so and how to increase your chances of getting shortlisting and how to prepare smartly even if you are a fresher. And the best part is some roles are code based and some are supporting roles and some are analyst roles and some are even perfect for the beginners. So watch this video completely because I will explain everything in very simple language without boring any technical. So and yes, all apply links are provided in the description company wise. Now let's start about the CGI. CGI is hiring for the apprentice role. So they are hiring for the Bangalore location, and CGI is one of the world's largest IT and consulting companies, and many freshers are joining in the CGI because it gives a good exposure to the real projects and enterprise applications. So now let's understand the role in simple language. So in this role is basically for the freshers who are interested in the software development, support, and ERP applications and SQL, Java, .NET technologies. So how can apply? So who can apply means BE, BTech, computer science graduates can apply for this role. And what they are expecting is CJ is not expecting you to be an expert in the developer. Instead, they are checking whether you can learn quickly or communicate properly and solve the problems logically and adapt to new technologies. That is very important. Skills they mentioned is .NET, Java, SQL, basic IT applications and communication skills and analytical thinking. So what will you actually do means you may work on the fixing the application issues and supporting the business software, understanding the client requirements and handling the tickets or working on ERP related systems. So basically, this is the strong IT level role. So most important for so if you want a better shortlisting for the CGI, so learn SQL basics properly and understanding of the joins and practice the Java and .NET basics and improve the communication skills. If even simple English communication matters a lot here, and and also mention the rotational shifts and extension hours. So be mentally prepared for that, and the one more hiring is from Morningstar. They are hiring for the Navi data analyst role. They are hiring for the Mumbai location. Now it's a big interesting opportunity for the students who are interested in the data analysis, finance, Excel, Power BI, and business data. And this is a entry level data role. So what does the data analyst do here means in simple words, you will collect the data and you will verify it and you will organize and you will analyze the financial data. So you will work with stock market data, ECC data, and mutual fund data, investment research, and business data sets. And skills they are expecting is Excel, SQL, Power BI basics, and communication skills, and attention to the detail is. So, and the most important thing is they are not expecting the advanced coding. Instead, they want people who can learn the fast and work carefully and handle the data properly. And so, and also what will you do daily work? Like you will be work on the data, cleaning the data and verifying the manual information and respond to the client's queries and update the databases and solve the data issues with the teams. So and also very important, and the role is excellent for the BBA and MBA and BSc and engineering graduates or anyone interested in the analytics and apply. You can apply for this opportunity, and the selection process is very clearly they mention. So online assessment and finance questions and English and cognitive ability and the typing test, and then interview will be there. And the big advantage is freshers can apply. One more thing important is this role includes the rotational shifts and including the night shifts. So if you are comfortable with the shift, then you can apply for this opportunity. So and for better shortlisting, learn the Excel formulas and SQL basics and Power BI basics and financial marketing technologies. And the third hiring is from Cisco. They are hiring for the a software engineer trainee role under the apprenticeship program. Then who can apply for this role means 2025 and 26 graduates can apply for this role. And very important thing is you must register on the NATS portal and have a valid student enrollment number. And a lot of students ignore this point and lose the opportunity. So what will work what work you will do means Cisco explained this clearly. So you will work on the AI projects, cyber security, networking, cloud infrastructure, automation, and SaaS deployments. And basically, this is not just the theoretical work. You will be working on the real technology systems and the skills they will expect is programming basics, communication skills, passion for the technology, teamwork, learning technologies, and technologies you should know is programming language. You should know the program any one at least one programming language and the development methodologies and automation concepts and software development basics. What makes this role special compared to the other roles means Cisco mentioned it's clearly mentioned by the Cisco. So it's completely AI based infrastructure, machine learning, and smart security systems and networking optimization. So if you love the technology and one strong brand value on your resume, this is a great opportunity. And for better shortlisting, practice the programming basics, learn the DSA basics, improve the communication, and understand the networking and fundamentals. Even if you are so, another fourth hiring is from Amazon. They are hiring for the software development engineer. So it's now this role is a software development engineer. So FTC means the fixed term contract for the 12 months. But don't ignore this contract roles because many students use this opportunity to gain the strong experience. What does Amazon expecting is Amazon is mainly checking the problem solving ability, front end development skills, coding fundamentals, and system thinking. Skills they mentioned is JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Angular, React, and Node.js, and they are expecting the object-oriented programming language and data structures and algorithms. What work will you do means you need to build the advantizer experiences and web applications of front-end systems, prototypes, and scalable user interfaces that you need to build. So, and also you may also work with the senior engineers and test applications and improve the performance and solve the customer problems. And the one more important thing is Amazon wants the candidates who can simply simplify the complex problems and communicate the technical ideas clearly and also work with the fast-paced environments. And if you want a better shortlisting, practice the JavaScript properly and try to build at least one or two simple projects and reverse the DSA and understand the front-end concepts. And Amazon clearly mentioned they never ask any money during the hiring, so don't forget that thing. And one more hiring is from CSD. This is a very good opportunity for the students who are interested in the SQL databases and system administration and production support. So, role explaining in a simple language is so you need to support the SQL server database systems. That means monitoring the databases and checking the database health, handling the alerts, supporting the backends, and you need to fix if there is any issue means and they are expecting the skills like SQL basics, some MySQL basics, Windows Server basics, and database concepts and problem solving communication skills. And SQL topics you should know. You should know means so you need to strong at some DDL commands, joins, filters, commands, and also some functions and related to normalizations that you need to be strong. Uh, And also they mention you need to work on the rotational shifts and you need to support a 24 into 7 environment. So, and if you are interested in the DBA or SQL careers, learn the SQL deeply and install MySQL local and practice the queries daily. So, understand the database concepts practically. So, guys, these are some really good fresher opportunities from CGI, Cisco, Morningstar, and Amazon and CSV. And the best thing is These are not the random fake hirings. These are real offerings from the top companies. Some companies need coding, and some need SQL, and some need the analytics, and some are beginner friendly supporting roles, and so choose based on your interest and the strengths. So companies are not expecting the perfection from the freshers, and they mainly focus on the learning attitude and the communication and consistency and basic technical fundamentals. If you prepare smartly even for 1 or 2 hours daily, so your chances of getting shortlisted will increase a lot. And all apply links are I provided in the description company wise, and I will also provide my playlist of fresher jobs. So I where I regularly post the updates for the 25 and 26 graduates. So check that too. So if this video helped you to understanding the roles better, so like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are searching for the jobs. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.